What's good, guys? I'm out here doing a little something different today. Something I do a lot of, man. A lot of y'all don't know, I love to cook. I make my own dry rubs and I like to experiment a lot. So what we're doing out here today, I'm gonna make something for y'all called Caveman Steaks. Some people call them cowboy steaks. I'm gonna make my version. I already got my wood cut up, some hickory, some bark over there already separated. Got my pit dug. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start my fire in there. I'm gonna get a good bed of coals and I'm gonna cook these babies right on the coals, y'all. I don't know if you guys ever seen anything like this before. Let me know if y'all like this little switch of pace. We're about to get at it, y'all. I'm about to show y'all my little dry rubs that I make. Gonna put it on the steaks. I'm gonna build the fire. I appreciate y'all being with me. About to get this food on, y'all. All right, got the fire taken off. It's about to be on, y'all. Now we just gotta let this baby cook down. Once we get a good bed of coals, then we're gonna put the steaks on it. All right, now I'm just gonna soak some of these hickory chips. Now all these chips are doing is adding a little flavor. I'll show you what to do with them later in the video. You're gonna wanna let your chips soak anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. Now this is one of my seasonings I make. It's a gourmet steak seasoning. This here may look like normal garlic to you guys, but it's actually a very rare, expensive type of garlic. The name of it's purple Italian. It's part of the hardneck garlic family. I use it in all of my seasonings and all my rubs that I make, and I really feel like that's what gives it the unique flavor. This is very high dollar stuff. It's not pungent like other garlics. Very tasty. This here will let you guys know a little more about it. I'm going to squeeze a little lemon in it. Pour the garlic in with the lemon. Pour some olive oil in. A little dab of malt liquor. Then some red wine vinegar. Whip it all up. Now we're going to lightly brush the oil onto the steak. By adding the olive oil, it will prevent the steaks from sticking. Now that the oil is onto the steak, it's time to apply the rub. Now I'll put a good thick layer on. It will give the steak good crunch, and a lot of this is going to fall off when we dust our steaks off at the end. Do it up. About to pull them.